Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we've got another unboxing for you. Want to see? Here we go. It's Mickey Loot B ticket. It's a heavy box. Very heavy box. Gonna jump into this, coming up right now. Alright, let's see what we got going on here. Ready? So this B ticket, 75 bucks, free shipping. Mickey Loot had a little bit of a struggle for just a couple weeks. They took the time to move to Florida. What is going on here? Relocated everything. And that's just so that they can go shopping for us more often. So that's pretty cool. But it seems like everything's back on track now, so congratulations guys on your move. And let's see what you shopped for me. Ready? Okay. There's a lot of room in here that could have been bags of glitter. Just throwing it out there.
Thank you.
Pipe down. All aboard the Disneyland Railroad, boop, at the Main Street Frontierland or Tomorrowland depots. That's cool. Chris, the main item in your box this month relates to one of Walt's most famous contributions to all who love the parks. Mickey Loot. Boop. There's not enough room in here for the park bench that he sat on when he thought of it. Most famous contributions. Alright. Here's the spoiler sheet. We're going to wait on that till the end. Got our glittery tissue paper and our Mickey Loot sticker. I think Mary must have called them because my bags are empty. What's going on, guys? Can't keep good glitter down. There you can. Alright. Oh, that feels like a big old book. Alright, everything is always wrapped like Christmas. This is definitely a pin. Mary is super excited! Winnie the Pooh and the Honey Tree. 2021 limited edition 55th anniversary Pooh on a balloon. This is 20 bucks in the park. So this is a limited release of 4,000. That is a very cute pin. No. Alright. So yeah, boop, check that out. Super cool. I love getting limited edition pins. LE pins. I'll just say LE pins. Ready? Alright, Mary's losing it. A new Artland pin. This is limited edition of 25. Holy cow. It's Pooh and Tigger. Oh, boop. That is an excellent pin. Double pin back. So I was thinking about it. So there's a lot of room in here and all those bags were empty. I think what happens is we live at like 5,500 feet and like our bags of chips are like holding on. So I wonder if those might have popped just from the pressure of coming up to this elevation. I bet that's what it is. All right. Mary is getting her pin on today. And finally, a very heavy book. Ready? I'm ready. You've got to be kidding me. This is a really big book, and it's... Are you saying this is nothing but the history of the monorail? So, look at that. Bam! Imagineering a Highway in the Sky. This is $40 in the park. I just want to... Oh, lots of pictures. Because I can't read much. I'm just kidding. No, I just like seeing all the historic photos and stuff. I cannot wait to get into this one. I mean, just look at Walt hanging out the window. Oh, thank you guys so much. The history of Disney really is that's where it's at for me. I love it. Awesome. All right. Spoiler sheet. Boop. All right. The book, $40. The limited edition Winnie the Pooh, $19.99. The Artland pin, $33.28. For a grand total of $93.27. So $75 to my door, $93.27 in my box. That's a score. That's a very good box. Sweet. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Matt. All right. I'm hoping to run into you guys when we're down in Florida in May. Mickey Loot, I mean. You know, that'd be awesome. All right. I'm happy. I mean, $75 box. Come on. All right, if you'd like to take a look at our last video, it's right here. Click it. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, click this button right here. And join our little family here. I hope you're having a great day.